tayo. It's na 3:29 and maya-maya guys, magtitimpla ako ng kape. So, ayun, sa buong araw, bali, nag-live ako kanina, so you can check it out. I will link in my bio, in my description box. So, hopefully you will watch that. And then, so I'm gonna make coffee today. I will just show you guys. We are always using here 3-in-1 or any twin pack coffee na ready to make na. So, water na lang yung kailangan. So, let's go. Today is 8:48 and today guys is October 13, 2024. So, for today's vlog, hindi naman very special na araw as usual. Meron nga pala ako guys na ikwento sa inyo. So, mamaya nasa 1 p.m. nasa 1 p.m. until 5 p.m. I supposed to have interview to other company na pinag-applyan ko before. But the thing was, it's something like far or malayo siya guys. So, I decided to cancel it. I believe with the first and the second na-applyan ko. So, maybe, just maybe, makakapasok ako doon. Kasi sabi ng employer ko before, ang sabi niya, waiting daw ako. So, ibig sabihin, anytime, pwede niya ako na ma-call and anytime, pwede ako makapag-work. So, yung update nga pala guys, doon sa na-applyan ko sa company, honestly, hindi ko siya feel. Hindi ko visualize or nabi-visualize na makakapasok ako doon. Which is not that big deal kasi nga when I started to decide or when I decide to go there and then take the opportunity to get the interview, wala akong any what's this called, expectations doon sa company na yun. Up for the update, kasi the thing that I really don't feel it is because first, bali, yung nakaschedule sa nila, hindi sila sumusunod guys sa time talaga. Kasi based sa aking na-research, they will start interviewing applicant starts with 10 a.m. until around 4, I think, kung hindi ako magkakamali. And then, basta alam ko na magsa-start siya ng 10. That's the reason why na pumunta ako doon ng 10. And kung nanood ka sa video ko before, na-late siya, and she arrived already at 1. So, naging 1 yung interview ko. How many hours yung hintay ko noon? 11, 12, 1. So, almost 3 hours yung paghihintay ko. Which is not, I think it's a bad thing kapag HR ka, let's say, ikaw yung nakaupo sa HR, kasi nag-update din ako, nagtanong ako, nag-chat ako sa messenger, but still I don't receive reply from her. So, I think that's the first thing na hindi maganda. And then the second one, guys, is I want something na kumpanya na sasabihin sa akin na, okay, so I assure you that we will have this thing, let's say, we will train you this day, something like that. And then, the last one na gusto ko, or na ayaw ko din na hindi nila ginawa is yung yung sabihin sa isang aplikante na, okay, you're in. Or else, you're not in. Something ganun. So, well, wish luck. I wish luck. Alright. So, magluluto ako ngayon, guys. Ng itlog. We have here 6 pieces and 2 pieces. I'm gonna need 4 pieces.